Hi everyone, my name is Belamia Salamera, business franchise consultant at Global Pinoy Travel and Tours, and honored to Beyond Destination. So nakita ko ang business na ito sa YouTube last June 2024 at sobra talaga ako napahanga sa ganda ng negosyo na ito dahil ito talaga yung hinahanap ko na all-in like airfare, hotel accommodation, tour packages, and more. At dahil I love to travel, sinubukan ko muna yung system bago ko ito shinare sa family, relatives, and friends. And the good news is, one day, in a group package, I earned 18,000 plus meron pang travel incentives. So para sa tulad kong mga former employee at OFW na naghahanap ng magandang negosyo at extra income, this is the right business for you. So if you want to learn more about the business, just comment down below and I'll see you inside.